Garibaldi Castle is a new building. The materials it is built with have been deliberately aged to add authenticity and improve the visual effect. The castle was built in 3 years and put into operation in 2010. The initial plan was to open a luxury hotel inside, but officially it does not exist yet. However, this does not prevent Garibaldi Castle from attracting thousands of visitors. Even the fact that it is about 40 kilometers from Tolyatti to the village of Kryshchevka, where it is located, does not stop tourists. There are days when it is difficult to find a free place in the huge parking lot adjacent to the complex. The castle itself is closed to visitors. Work is still being done inside. The complex is certainly very photogenic. That is why newlyweds regularly come here for their wedding photo shoots. Friday is their favorite day, and this should be taken into account when planning a trip to Kryshchevka. Of course, the place is especially beautiful in the warm season, when the fountains are running and the flower beds are filled with brightly colored flowers. If you plan to visit the complex in autumn or winter, it is best to arrive in the evening to admire the castle in the light of lanterns. Thanks to them, the atmosphere becomes extremely romantic and, to some extent, even mystical. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for next episodes of Castle Season.